Now, what I heard about trying to strike. Trying to move yes, so I'm full of no trying to live as my own thinking. The first man and I am scared. My best are probably by time. So I'm going to just behave because she trusts me. I think she's 65. So we're trying to do the project. This is the first time he's AI. This is the first time he's so you will is the first thing you will host. So my team if it is it means this will hamper. So shone kwamanya ama province. I behavior iyopumagini because you are the first group eyenza lento le. Nyanizwa ukuthi le yangalo start. So you work hard. Ama result wena azobonakala. Le into individual umuntu uzobazenze le thing sizoyi attend training ngalo start okay bazositshela ukuthi ukusebenza njani okay from there kunama task I think that you have to submit online. Remember data smartphone mawuyenza njalo ke online ke uya submit lo umsebenzi bakufunayo that's where you get paid. You get lazy you don't get paid. Yes. You get lazy you don't get paid. Akukho la bathu uzokhona uhleli la vele yomsebenzi I know most of the people they're going to drop out along the way in this program. Lesiya ngayanga start believe me. Bakhona abazosala angisho yengumsebenzi umuntu ozimisela is one the outcome that I say strong ufuna lo msebenzi ukuthi ubambe ngesandla ube nendleleni imithina ayisayikho madoda sihamba i-technology nalokuthi cleaner lapha estradeni nelinye ilanga sesiyothola imishini ecleanayo lapha estradeni angisho so izinto ziyachinja so are you promising me that you're going to behave ngalo start? Yes. Ngiyang promise. Okay, thank you so much. So ngiyaphuma ngile ngalo start mina encwadi I don't know ukuthi register swethu sama sesicedile na for ukuya le ngalo start ne sizoyenza after I have in line.
Of us njengasida singabantu abasha yabona so kubalekile ukuthi sithole lezi skill lezi ezizokhona ukuthi zis assist screening futhi nokuthi sizenzele ama business out of lezi skill lezi esizenzayo yabona so I think lapha phakathi njenganiphumile so bafethu nitholile nani ulwazi oluhlukahlukene as much as on Wednesday njengabasho ukuthi sihlangana le kulendlela yehlela Mosoka events wehlela straight lapha kaDixie angazi kaDixie niyakwazi masikadixie majority yenu niyazi so yenza lese AI I think usister la phakathi uniprefeel ukuthi kuyenzakalani masangisho baniprefeel ukuthi kuyenzakalani ngalese AI alright if ever niprefeel ngalese AI no siyabonga.
Alright 100% sanibingelela nonke babukeli emakhaya lapho sikhona phansi ezinambeni eWitbank eWard 6 ANC office namhlanje babukeli sihamba extension 6 years sihamba nosisi wami lana ovela from Enemisa College naye lapha uCIC Smere kukhona iprogram ezenaye usisi wami together nobhuti wami uSmere iNemisa College iNemisa it's a college etholakala eJohannesburg bakithi so bazofundisa abantu abasha bazobatraina ngaloko naloko kodwa angingachazi kakhulu kuyapi akabe siyachaza kumnikazi wendaba sawubona sisi wami
yebo njani futhi
siyaphila kunjani
ngiyaphila
yeah ungachazela manje ababukele emakhaya ukuthi ubani nizokwenzani namhlanje
okay mina igama lami nguDlenda Maselesele I'm one of abantu abahlala la eWitbank ezinambeni ngihlala e14 so I'm working for a company ebizwa ngeNimisa. Inimisa is an institution ne so we have a project by the name of Yaruna project so Yaruna really community so our project kakhulu we are trying to give back to the community iyouth le yadropa esikolweni or ama matric wethu laba baphasile ngabo level 2 or 3 angisho ama university abawathathi thina ke la kithi baya qualify akuna ukuthi 2% njani or akuna ukuthi unangaki so I project yethu ayina age limit so from at the age of 14 years uyangena to 100 years so wait Nimisa uchazile ukuthi iseJozi vele uyabe ise college yethu sinamapha ama project esinawo namuhla le bengiyenza ne-community yala Empumeleni siyenze i-mobile digital literacy.
Yes.
What is mobile digital literacy?
Yes.
It's just a basic introduction ye-computer nokuthi i-AI isebenza kanjani nempilo ye-technology le yamanje. So bayenzile i-community ngibaregisterile on the system, they are done.
Yes.
When you are done, you get your certificate.
Yes.
Once you get your certificate, so when a chance yokuthi on our system you can go in and do extra more courses that you like.
Yes. Yes.
So
yes.
Winimisa asinayo anything to do with engineering. IT, office, business,
Yes.
they are there.
Yes.
So izoya ngomuntu ukuthi yena uzimisele kangakanani kulaba bahambela. Mawu serious uzochubeka endlini angisho uyenza. So everything yenza usishaya online. Mabathi digital, everything ila. Asisekho endabeni yama pages.
Yes.
So siphelele lapha i-community I hope ukuthi ba happy bawatholile ama certificate wabo wonke umuntu uhambe right.
So namhlanje basically bekuyi one day certificate course nje beyi one day bazoshola certificate ebebala namhlanje.
Yes, la bebala namhlanje it was one day training.
Yes.
Already bazitholile certificate because once you are done with your course,
yes.
uyasithola online certificate baya ku-emailela bahambe nawo everybody uhambe ne-certificate.
Into enhle kakhulu leyo siswami, into enhle kakhulu sifisa ngathi ngachubeka. So manje from la niyaphi ngabe mhlambe khona futhi ama programs nizoba nawo kuzophela inyanga or izawo?
Kule anamuhla le this is Nimisa ngisho.
Yes.
I'm done here.
Alright.
So ngize ngathi mangiloko ngiyenza lo msebenzi wami ngithole enye project ebizwa ukuthi Lelapa AI.
Alright.
Lelapa AI nayo is also based eJozi.
Yes.
Rosebank.
Yes.
Lelapa ithole uSis Grace, uGrace Mahlalela, the owner of Itusen Preschool F5.
Yes.
So what makayithola what Itlanda because of you are working in the community. Ngicela ungisize ungitholela abantu. Nayo ilelapa AI izodila ngani ngama smartphone. So ukhethe mina because azi ukuthi labantu engiba trainile already banawo ama smartphone and already bayakwazi ukusebenzisa i-digital ukuthi ihamba njani. So ilelapa AI bafuna umuntu ongakanani bathi 18 to any age naba ayikhethi.
Alright.
Abakhethi ukuthi une-matric or unani.
Hayi cha, umsebenzi emihle eyenziwa udade bethu nabafowethu lana sifisa ngathi ngaqhubeka siswami ibe impumelelo ibe nemiphumela emihle into enithethe namhlanje. Ngamshiyeli ngamvalele ngaphandle phela uCIC uSmera. Ubhuti omkhulu lapha uye upioneer this whole thing mangizwa baba uSmera. Once again ngiyakubulisa bhuti wami man. So ngicela ukuthi nawe bese uyachaza ukuthi umthethephi usisi. Kwenze njani ngoba namhlanje naku abantu basemalehleni bajabulile bathola ama training banezitifiketi nayi nendaba yezitipend bazohola okuncane konke lokhu kusuka emzamini yakho. Sicela bese uyachaza ukuthi yini kwenzakalini bhuti wami.
All right, there first of all greetings to our viewers. 100 Spartan lapho siyabonga kakhulu for ukuthi nibe khona na bongs. Thanks for the opportunity nakuNemisa from kuSislanda. Thanks ukuthi our young people namuhla bathole ulwazi all different as much as understand about AI into ezifika manje and sidinga ukuthi is understand it better lezi zinto lezi. Coming from your question bonke sister ngimthole njani, it's good sometimes masebenza nabantu not endaweni ohlala kiyo kuphela. We go around build relations. Ngimthole from ku-Enoch Mfoka Khoza lapha ewa 6. Bambiza ngozoro mfowethu. Shout out to uZoro lapha ewa 6 umfowethu uye ongihlanganise noSislanda and then sathi masihlangana noSislanda tholakala ukuthi vele uSmero umuntu osebenza nentsha la impumelelweni and then the information ivele yahamba nje so smooth wena bongs. Iyo lento lempethu.
Kodwa ngokuya ngawe abantu abasha nabadala ngale initiative mawubabheka nje ngabe ba happy mhlambe?
They are too happy, comrade. Wena bongs, sorry ukubiza ngo comrade. They are happy. They are happy. I was with a guy la ngaphandle after bafunda lolwazi abalithola la ku sister. Yeah, and then as I was saying, we shout out to uZoro for usihlanganisa no sister. And as much as I think we will build relations no sister going forward because for having more young people abangana knowledge with kenzakalani young people abangana skill wena bongs, and the skill it's one of the things prioritize as nabantu abasha as we understand ukuthi the rate of unemployment it's crazy. You understand, but then with the skill esisitholayo we can do business ngale skill. The knowledge esitholile today it will assist us going forward even in our families. even in the community esihlala kiyo, we will be able to assist those abanganayo information.
That's very true.
Yes.
I know bhuti wami cha. Asingachubeki kakhulu ngoba into ehambayo nichubekayo bhuti wami, soloko sihlezi silandela ezama-Spartans, sithanda umsebenzi emihle thina, sifuna okuhle kuphela sisi wami. Asicali lana futhi asigcini la, sipheleli lana. Phambili la siyakhona, wonke umuntu kumele abe happy, wonke umuntu kumele abe ne-skill, wonke umuntu kumele abe ne-certificate nalaphephanyana likhombisayo ukuthi lokhu uyakwazi. Manje isikhathi sama-AI bafowethu, siyathemba and siyabhiliva ukuthi nonke niyabona ukuthi sesisiphi isimo manje. Sebenza AI, basekhona udadewethu noboSmera 100 Spartans, sinithanda nonke emakhaya. Ngimsalute.
Sibizeleni ilokishi. Yo, we don't have ilokishi.